Right, we are learning more today, meanwhile, about the Temple University police officer shot and killed in the line of duty last night. Flowers are left where Officer Christopher Fitzgerald was gunned down while responding to a call. The 18-year-old suspect was arrested this morning and is now facing a slew of charges. Correspondent Joe Khalil live with more information tonight. Joe.
Yeah, hi, Natasha. Really tragic situation here. Officer Christopher Fitzgerald was shot in the head Saturday night while he was on duty, responding to an incident near campus. He was already trying to catch a suspect in a robbery call when he was shot. He was taken to the Temple University Hospital and pronounced dead there. The 18-year-old who allegedly shot Officer Fitzgerald, Miles Pfeffer, now facing multiple felony counts, including murder, robbery, carjacking, and really a whole slew of weapons charges, among others. Officer Fitzgerald, let's focus on him here for a minute. He leaves behind a wife and 4 children. His tragic death already garnering a lot of attention. The university released messages of support for Fitzgerald and for his family. And Pennsylvania Governor Josh Shapiro said this shortly after. Says, "We are sending prayers to his loved ones, Temple Police, and the entire Temple University community. May his memory be a blessing." Now, there is rising crime in the area, and it's causing a lot of concern around the university. There have been a number of high-profile crimes on Temple's campus, and that has parents and students taking measures to call attention to it. Others are even considering withdrawing their students from the university altogether, NewsNation is told. Back in November, and this is just one incident here, there was a group of armed, masked men that broke into an off-campus apartment and robbed the people living there. There were 11 students home at the time when this happened. Officer Fitzgerald's death is actually the 7th law enforcement officer shot and killed in the line of duty this year. It's the first case of an officer being killed in Philadelphia in 3 years. And nationwide, 64 officers have been shot and killed both in 2022 and in 2021. That is an alarming upward trend nationally, according to the National Law Enforcement Officers Memorial Fund. In the previous decades before that, there was an average of about 50 officers killed. Natasha, roughly 20% less than what we have seen recently. So that has been ticking up when you look historically at where officers killed in the line of duty have been. Not a good statistic.
Yeah, Joe, and I know you're talking about crime, and politically, crime became one of the biggest concerns among voters in the last election. Is it too soon to tell right now whether it'll be a major factor in the 2024 presidential race?
Well, look, it is early, but what I can tell you now is that candidates are already, who are lining up to run on the Republican side, are already making it a major issue. In fact, this week, Florida Governor Ron DeSantis, who at this point certainly is the Republican frontrunner of anybody not named Trump, he is making 2 very high-profile visits, one to New York, one to Chicago this coming week. And he's going to be meeting with police unions, possibly working to pick up some law enforcement endorsements there. So soon, I imagine others who are in the field already are going to make those big plays for police groups asking for their support. So, yeah, this very well could be a big issue in 2024, Natasha.
All right, Joe Khalil live for us tonight. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.